Morgan Technica presents PLY1, the fastest, the ultimate single-ply cutting system. This technological revolution ensures high performances with low running costs. PLY1 has an innovative design and is the first single-ply cutting system equipped with linear motors, delivering the highest accuracy, efficiency, and top performance. 3G acceleration and up to 180 meters per minute speed. Noiseless, low energy consumption, low maintenance, fully customizable, efficient, intuitive, and user-friendly software. PLY1 cuts a wide range of materials with great precision and high speed. All textile types, carpet fabric, and even special materials of different composition and dimensions. This innovative and unique system allows you to manage up to 3 different tools simultaneously and perform even the most complex operations accordingly to fabric type and application, as well as cutting with different techniques like punching and marking. PLY1 works with different cutting windows and conveyor extensions to manage any type of material and meet every production requirement. The PLY1 special grip conveyor has been designed for optimum performance, delivering significant duration, reducing running costs. PLY1 lines are fully customizable by different optional modules, such as the automatic and semi-automatic fabric roll loading and roll changing systems, unrolling cradles for tension-free fabric feeding, and data collection systems for cut piece picking and sorting. The world is changing, and it is changing fast. The growth of e-commerce worldwide has brought the trend of customized and made-to-measure products, which result in fragmented orders. For the apparel, furniture, transport, accessories, and special fabrics, PLY1 has become a unique solution for ensuring fast and high-quality production by allowing you to quickly switch from one production to another, even on a small scale. PLY1, the ultimate single-ply cutting system. PLY1, technology that shapes ideas.